Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. What is the purpose of the message attributes in Amazon SNS? To add structured metadata to messages. To encrypt message content. To set message priority. To compress large messages. Message attributes in Amazon SNS allow you to add structured metadata to messages, such as timestamps or order IDs, which can be used for message filtering or processing logic. Which AWS service can Amazon SNS directly integrate with to trigger notifications based on CloudWatch alarms? Amazon SQS, Amazon Kinesis, Amazon CloudWatch, AWS Lambda. Amazon SNS can directly integrate with Amazon CloudWatch to send notifications when specific alarms are triggered, enabling real-time monitoring and alerting. What is the purpose of the Enable Default Server-Side Encryption API call in Amazon SNS? To secure SNS access keys. To enable server-side encryption by default for an SNS topic. To encrypt SNS API communications. To encrypt message attributes. The Enable Default Server-Side Encryption API call in Amazon SNS is used to enable server-side encryption by default for a specific SNS topic, ensuring all messages are encrypted at rest. Which AWS service can you use with Amazon SNS to send notifications about changes in AWS IAM? AWS Control Tower, AWS SSO, AWS Directory Service, AWS IAM. AWS IAM can be configured to send notifications through Amazon SNS when changes occur, such as when a new user is created or a policy is modified, enhancing security monitoring. What is the purpose of the retry policy attribute in Amazon SNS? To specify message priority. To indicate encryption status. To define how SNS retries message delivery after a failure. To set message retention period. The retry policy attribute in Amazon SNS defines how the service retries message delivery after a failure, including settings like maximum receive count and visibility timeout. What is the purpose of server-side encryption in Amazon SNS? To encrypt message content at rest in SNS. To secure SNS access keys. To secure SNS API endpoints. To encrypt message attributes. Server-side encryption in Amazon SNS is used to encrypt message content at rest within the SNS service, providing an additional layer of data protection. What is the purpose of the filter policy attribute in Amazon SNS? To filter out spam messages. To compress large messages. To prioritize messages based on content. To allow subscribers to receive only messages that match specific attributes. The filter policy attribute in Amazon SNS allows subscribers to define filters so they only receive messages that match specific message attributes, reducing unwanted messages. What is the purpose of the display name attribute in Amazon SNS topics? To set topic encryption. To specify topic quota. To define topic region. To provide a user-friendly name for the topic in notification endpoints. The display name attribute in Amazon SNS topics provides a user-friendly name that appears in notification endpoints like email subjects, making messages more identifiable. Which AWS service can you use with Amazon SNS to send notifications about ECR image scans? Amazon Light Sale, Amazon ECS, Amazon ECR, AWS App Runner. Amazon ECR can be configured to send notifications through Amazon SNS when it completes a vulnerability scan on a container image, providing security insights. Which AWS service can you use with Amazon SNS to send notifications about Amazon Comprehend job completions? Amazon Transcribe, Amazon Poly, Amazon Comprehend, Amazon Translate. Amazon Comprehend can be configured to send notifications through Amazon SNS when a natural language processing job completes, such as sentiment analysis or entity recognition. What is the purpose of the message group ID in Amazon SNS FIFO topics? To categorize messages by type. To ensure messages within a group are delivered in order. To define message visibility timeout. To set message expiration time. In Amazon SNS FIFO topics, the message group ID ensures that messages within the same group are delivered to subscribers in the exact order they were published. What is the purpose of the topic attribute in Amazon SNS? To uniquely identify an SNS topic. To set topic encryption. To specify topic quota. To define topic region. The topic attribute in Amazon SNS is used to uniquely identify an SNS topic across all of AWS, following the Amazon resource name format. Which AWS service can you use with Amazon SNS to send notifications about detected security issues? Amazon Guard Duty, Amazon Inspector, AWS Shield, AWS WAF. Amazon Guard Duty can be configured to send notifications through Amazon SNS when it detects potential security issues in your AWS environment, enabling prompt threat response. Which AWS service can you use with Amazon SNS to send notifications about AWS Control Tower drift events? AWS Control Tower, AWS Service Catalog, AWS Organizations, AWS Config. AWS Control Tower can be configured to send notifications through Amazon SNS when it detects drift events, where resources deviate from the established guardrails. What is the primary benefit of using Amazon SNS with AWS Lambda? Provides message compression. Offers message translation. Allows message batching. Enables serverless event-driven architectures. Using Amazon SNS with AWS Lambda enables serverless event-driven architectures, where Lambda functions are triggered by SNS messages without managing infrastructure. Which AWS service can you use with Amazon SNS to send notifications about completed AWS code build projects? AWS Code Deploy, AWS Code Build, AWS Code Commit, AWS Code Pipeline. AWS Code Build can be configured to send notifications through Amazon SNS when a build project completes, providing updates on the success or failure of your builds. Which AWS service can you use with Amazon SNS to send notifications about AWS cost anomalies? AWS Pricing Calculator, AWS budgets. AWS cost and usage report. AWS Cost Explorer. AWS Cost Explorer can be configured to send notifications through Amazon SNS when it detects cost anomalies, helping you manage and optimize your AWS spending. What is the purpose of the subject field in an Amazon SNS email notification? To set the priority of the email. To provide a concise summary of the message in the email subject line. To specify the sender's email address. To indicate the email's category. In an Amazon SNS email notification, the subject field is used to provide a concise summary of the message in the email's subject line, helping recipients quickly understand the content. In Amazon SNS, what is a topic used for? To set the priority level of messages. To define the content of the message being sent. To specify the region where messages are stored. To group multiple endpoints that you want to receive the same message. In Amazon SNS, a topic is used to group multiple endpoints that should receive the same message, allowing efficient message distribution. Which AWS service can you use with Amazon SNS to send notifications about auto-scaling group events? Amazon EC2 auto-scaling. AWS Fargate. Amazon ECS. AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Amazon EC2 auto-scaling can be configured to send notifications through Amazon SNS about events like instance launch or termination in an auto-scaling group. What is the purpose of the protocol parameter in the Amazon SNS Subscribe API? To specify how the endpoint receives notifications. To set message priority. To define the message format. To indicate message language. In the Amazon SNS Subscribe API, the protocol parameter specifies how the endpoint will receive notifications, such as via SMS, email, or HTTP/HTTPS. Which AWS service can you use with Amazon SNS to send notifications about EBS snapshot completion? Amazon FSx. Amazon EBS. Amazon EC2. Amazon EFS. Amazon EBS can be configured to send notifications through Amazon SNS when a snapshot operation completes, providing updates on your data backup process. Which AWS service can you use with Amazon SNS to send notifications about detected sensitive data in S3 buckets? Amazon Rekognition. Amazon Macie. AWS GuardDuty. AWS Config. Amazon Macie can be configured to send notifications through Amazon SNS when it detects sensitive data, such as personal information, in your S3 buckets. What is the purpose of VPC endpoints in the context of Amazon SNS? To encrypt SNS messages. To prioritize SNS messages. To allow SNS API calls without traversing the public internet. To batch SNS requests. VPC endpoints for Amazon SNS allow you to make SNS API calls from within your VPC without traversing the public internet, providing enhanced security and lower latency. What is the purpose of the tokens invalidated message type in Amazon SNS mobile push notifications? To signal a high priority message. To indicate that the device tokens are no longer valid. To show message encryption status. To denote a compressed message. In Amazon SNS mobile push notifications, the tokens invalidated message type indicates that the device tokens are no longer valid, prompting you to remove them and stop sending notifications to those devices. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.